Hey guys, welcome to my another YouTube video, aka Lulu's World, aka Oluchi's Kitchen, Oluchi's World. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your stovetop bread, and my special recipe would be milk. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how I measured my flour. Not showing, just giving you a glimpse of how I measure my flour. I'm adding 4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of rising yeast, 4 tablespoons of oil which I didn't post, 2 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of milk, like 3 sachets of evaporated milk. Yeah, let's go to the cooking. First up, I'll be mixing my yeast with sugar and warm water and keeping it in a warm place, which is the cooler, and putting warm water inside. Yes, I'll be mixing my dry ingredients. I'm adding salt, next the sugar, and next nothing. I'm mixing it up. Yes, I stir it and I keep it one side and I wait for my yeast to rise. Yes, my yeast has risen. Yes, if your yeast doesn't rise like this, don't use it. Go to the market and ask for a rising yeast. Now I'm putting my oil, which I did not show at first though. Now I'm showing it. Now I add my egg. I mix it together with a fork. Please, you can use a whisker. Then you whisk it together. What will you say if I'm using a fork to turn it around? Is it a forky? Then I'm adding my milk, a cup of milk. That's three sachets, and meaning you're going to be adding extra. So I am whisking. Yeah, so funny story, these bowls that I'm using, I stole them. Yes, I stole them. I'm mixing my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients together. Yes, and I'm using my spatula. You could use maybe your plastic spoon, whatever, anything you have in the house. Yes, back to my story. These are my mom's glass plates, or will I say her glass china, whatever, that they gave her since, I don't know, her wedding present that she kept up. I don't know, waiting for a special occasion that she would use. I don't even know but I think this is the awaited special event. My YouTube video is a special event though. See, and don't be scared if your dough is sticky. Just add flour to it, and then you knead. You could take it to a flat surface. Yeah, depending on what you want. I'm adding oil to another bowl. to which I'm going to be keeping the dough inside to keep it from sticking to the bowl. I cover it up and I keep it in a warm environment, which is my cooler with warm water inside. You could keep it in your oven. You could keep it anywhere that you think is warm in your house, so that the dough can rise. That's times 2 of what I'm showing you. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to look like. So I'm kneading it to remove the air inside. As usual, you can take it to your flat surface and mix it very well. This is me applying oil to my pan. You could add margarine. Yeah, earlier I forgot to state that you could use margarine instead of oil. You could use butter. Yeah, you could use butter, not margarine. Margarine is like the posh part of the. Yes, use butter instead of oil. So this is how you massage your dough. I think there's a name. Yeah, you can comment if you know what I'm doing to the dough. But for now, I will say I'm massaging my dough. Then when I'm done, I put it in the pan and I let it rise. You can keep it in one place. You have to keep it in one place, which is the cooler with warm water inside. Then it will rise times 2 of how you kept it. So this is me applying oil on top. You could apply egg or butter on it, but we're sticking to our recipe, so I'm adding oil to it. Yes, I am testing my video. I don't know, my video, what's this word, my filmology or my videology on how to video. So I'm going to be showing you the fire the color of the fire you're supposed to be using. In case you're using fake kerosene, you're supposed to be using original kerosene. I put my pan in my pot oven and I like to sit for 37 minutes or more, depending on your pot, how you covered it, and your stove. You could sit more than 37 minutes. So if you're new, please subscribe, like. This is your small ways of encouraging me to do more videos, and remember to tune in next week for another exciting easy cooking video. Don't forget that you don't have to actually use evaporated milk. You could use powdered milk or any type of milk that you have. And also, if you follow this process, please send me a pic of your bread on my Instagram page at Okafor Lucia, no spacing on Instagram. And remember that you could put any toppings of your choice. You could use coconut, you could put banana flavor or any other flavor that you like on your bread. Remember, tune in next week. Bye.